Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this GPT website called redmonkey, okay? So I'm going to review redmonkey to find out whether you can actually make money online just by taking surveys, playing games, installing apps, things like that, or is this a big waste of time, right? Let's take a look at it. Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 every single month, 100% from home, just go ahead and click the link below and I'll send you that strategy for free straight to your email if you want to check that out, okay? Now, I've reviewed hundreds of different ways to make money online. GPT websites like this, surveys, video games, MLM, different business models like affiliate marketing, drop shipping, all sorts of different ways. And some of them are some great ways to make money, but a lot of them are actually a little bit of a waste of time and they don't really give you that much income, right? So let's take a look at redmonkey to find out whether this is, a good use of your time and how does it stack up to other ways of making income online, right? Now, redmoney is basically a GPT style website. Get paid to do something, okay? Get paid to click. And a lot of these websites are very similar. There are a lot of really legit ones out there around. And redmonkey is a legit website, right? So basically, it's an aggregator of surveys, of games, and of different paid offers, which they call apps, right? Where you download them, you did different tasks, and once you hit a certain milestone, they will give you a certain amount of coins and points, and then you can change that into money, okay? So this website right here, redmonkey, is available pretty much globally. You can just register here, and once you sign in, you click on earn, and there are different ways that you can actually earn money, right? So you can see here that you can watch videos right here. You can download offers. They kind of divide them right here. But an easy way to do this is just to look at the categories, okay? So let's look at some of the games and stuff like that. First of all, I'm just going to show you this one, Loot TV Watch Videos, right? So with watching videos, you're really earning very, very little per video. Okay, this is a pretty normal thing, okay? So you can see here, it says 10 coins, right? 10 coins is 1 cent, okay, on this website, right? So on redmonkey, 1,000 coins is equal to $1. So 10 coins right here, this is equal to 1 cent, right? So for every video that you watch, and some of them can be quite long, will earn you 1 cent. So you can kind of start to see that you're not going to be able to earn that much money by watching videos. Yeah, sure. I mean, you could spend all day watching videos and you'll earn 10 cents per video, but it's going to take you quite a long time to earn $1. You'd have to watch 1,000 videos, basically, almost. Sorry, you have to watch 100 videos, right? And that would take quite a long time before you earn $1. Now, there are easier ways to make money, but I just wanted to give you an example, right? So let's come into the games here, right? And you're going to see that if you play different games, right, you can earn different types of points. Now, some of them do pay you quite a lot of points, which is pretty cool, right? But in order for you to do that, these are what you call paid offers, okay? So when you download the game, you're not instantly going to get 17,550 points. You have to do certain things in that particular game in order to win those points. So with a lot of these games where they pay you a lot more coins, you have to hit certain milestones, okay? So what you're gonna have to do is probably you're gonna have to download the game, and then you have to reach a certain level in the game, like level 50. And some of the games, this looks like a betting game as well. It's called stake.com, right? It's very, very likely that you're going to have to stake your own money before they give you these points. That's how some of them work, right? So you might have to put down $10, $30, sometimes even $50 or more before you will actually get the coins associated with that particular game. So just be careful, all right? A lot of them have certain terms that you must achieve before they give you those coins, right? Now, some of them will be easier, like Game Hag, for example, 410 coins. This is basically 41 cents equivalent, right? So you download the game, you have to hit a certain milestone in the game, maybe like reach level 10, level 20. That might take you 3 hours to reach level 20, you know what I mean? So 3 hours of your time, 2 hours of your time, 1 hour of your time, if you achieve that, then they'll give you 41 cents, right? So you just have to think about, is investing 2 or 3 hours of my time worth 41 cents, right? It just depends. Every single game is slightly different, right? Then they got the survey section, okay? And I like the survey section right here. Depending on your country, this will be different, right? 460 coins is equivalent to 46 cents, right? So if you fill out the survey, it might take you 15 minutes, 20 minutes. It might take you 10 minutes. It depends on the surveys. They're all different lengths. You will get a different reward for the surveys that you fill. Now, this is quite nice because they've got all the surveys right here, while there are other GPT websites where they're like aggregators. They will send you to a survey website where you have to fill in an application and then go through that whole process and get a couple of surveys there. But these guys, at least they give you the surveys directly on their website, and then you can just do it on RedMonkey itself, and once you're successful, they will credit your RedMonkey account, which is pretty cool. Okay, so 39 cents for this website, for this survey, sorry, 24 cents for this one, 33 cents for this one. So you can see roughly, in my country, I'm being offered roughly about 40 to 24 cents per survey. Okay, so it's not a huge amount, but this is pretty normal for good GPT websites. Expect to earn anywhere from 20, 30, 40, 50 cents per survey that you fill out. Okay, so it's not life-changing income, but it is free and it's legit. It's just going to take you a little bit of time. Okay, they also have quizzes right here which you can fill out, right? Not that many in my country right here, but scary quiz I can get. What is this? This is 2 cents, right? 20 coins is 2 cents. This is 2 cents. This is 3 cents. This is 21 cents. Okay, so it's going to look slightly different in your country, but you can kind of get the idea of roughly how much you can make. All right, so now the big question is how much money can you really make, all right, on this website? So I'm going to go to the first of all, just to let you know, to cash out, they can pay you through cryptocurrency and they can pay you through gift cards. Maybe in the future they'll be able to add PayPal, all right? But for now, cryptocurrency and gift cards that you can actually use to withdraw, and they pay out pretty quickly, all right? Now let's take a look at how much you can really make. So I'm gonna go to a leaderboard right here, and this will give you a real idea of how much people are really making. And this is per day, okay? So these are the top earners per day, right? And you can see that they've made you can see here 5,000 coins, 46,000 coins, 37,000 coins, 3,399 coins. So let me give you an idea of what that actually equates to, right? So we already know that 1,000 coins is equal to $1. So Loki, right, has earned roughly about $5 today. And because he's ranked on the top 10, right, he's ranked number 1, his additional prize will be 3,000 coins. So he's going to make an additional $3. Okay, so today Loki will earn roughly about, and the day hasn't ended yet, but let's just say roughly about $8, okay, because of the prize money. But let's just not look at the prize money. So it's pretty cool. They do reward you if you're in the top 10, right here. You can see here, top 10, you get extra coins, right? But let's just say you're not in the top 10. What is the average that people earn, okay? So Loki Jew, I can't pronounce his name. Loki Jew is obviously spending quite a lot of time on this website. So he's earned about $5, okay? But let's look at the people that are, below level number 5, right? This is what I would say the average is for the average person that's on this website. Okay, these people obviously are hustling. They're working really hard. They're really leveraging the website, and they're spending hours and hours and hours on RedMonkey. So they're earning $3, $4, $5 a day, roughly. Then they get the bonus points here. So maybe they're earning $7, $8, something like that, okay? Loki Jew might even earn $10 today, okay? Plus the bonus, depending on where he goes. But on average, if you look at the lower spectrum, people earning $1.30, $1.40, $1.60, $1.70, $2, okay? This is $3 right here, all right? Plus the bonus, maybe $4, $5, okay? So I would say on average, if you spend a few hours on RedMonkey, it's more realistic to say that you're gonna earn roughly between $1 to $2 a day on this website, which is pretty normal for a GPT website, okay? Nothing wrong with RedMonkey, by the way, all right? But I just wanted to show you, this is the leaderboard. This is the global top 10 leaderboard, right? And you can see right here how much people are actually earning, right? This is very standard for a GPT style website. $1 to $2, maybe $3 a day if you're spending a few hours on the website, because it does take a little bit of time to earn. If you're watching the Loot TV videos, you're earning like 1 cent per video. If you download some of the big offers, potentially you can earn more, but please understand that there are milestones that you have to hit, and some of the milestones will take you quite a bit of time to hit. It might take you 3 hours or 5 hours to get to certain levels in some of the milestones, right? Some of them also require you to put down your own money, right? So it really depends, So some of them can, again, quite high, BD Swiss here, but again, you'll probably have to jump through quite a few hoops to get there, okay? And then with the surveys, you can see that it's pretty standard. You're earning, this is not loading up right now, but again, you're earning about 20, 30, 40, or 50 cents per survey, as we saw earlier, right? So there's something wrong with it loading right now, but you can see that, okay? So there you go. I mean, this is basically RedMonkey. I think it's a pretty cool GPT app. It's pretty normal, nothing super special about it. A lot of good GPT apps are pretty similar, but the nice thing about it is it's legit, it's global, they do pay out, they've got cryptocurrency and gift card payouts right now. The minimum threshold is $5, so you have to earn at least $5 to withdraw. If you're an active user, that might take you a few days to withdraw, right? So the big question is this worth your time? You know, is this a good way to spend your time online? Oh, let me put it this way, right? Just like all GPT websites out there, if $1, $2, $3 a day is going to be life-changing for you, because in some countries that is life-changing income, then I would say that this is a good use of your time, right? But for most people living in big countries around the world, right? If you live in countries like the US, Europe, you know, certain parts of Asia, Australia, Canada, Scotland, Ireland, you know, is this really worth your time? Well, let's do the math, right? If you're averaging $3 a day and you're spending a few hours on this every single day, 3 hours times 30, you're making roughly about $100 a month, right? Is $100 a month life-changing income? I would say that it's not, you know. In certain countries it is, yes, absolutely, but in a lot of countries it's not, right? And remember, you're going to be spending 2, 3, 4 hours a day on this website to earn that kind of income. Now, if you were to take that time, 2, 3, 4 hours a day, and spend it elsewhere online, right, and learn a skill set, and you're earning thousands per month, then that might be a better way to use your time, right? So again, it's a cool website, it's legit, it's free. I think it's good for certain people in certain countries because you can really get money, and it's 100% free, which is cool, right? But again, is $100, $200, maybe even $300 a life-changing income a month? I don't think so. I think there are better ways if you're living in countries where, you know, $100 or $200 extra is not really going to, you know, scratch the surface for you, right? It might help you to pay a couple of bills, maybe a couple of nice meals, right? But is it going to help you to travel the world, become a millionaire, retire? Absolutely not, okay? So RedMonkey, good, legit GPT website, but I think that there are a lot of better other ways to earn online. So you can check it out if you want, redmonkey.app. And it's available globally. All right. Now, if you're here watching this video right now, maybe you are looking for a way to create life-changing income, right? You want to look for something that's going to help you replace your full-time job, your full-time income, maybe earn even more than your full-time income. Maybe you're looking to travel the world. Maybe you want to learn how to get, you know, thousands per month, okay? There are strategies, you just have to understand where to look. So if you would like to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, you just need your computer and your internet connection. Go ahead and click the link below, and I'll send you that strategy straight to your email. You can check it out if you would like, all right? I hope you enjoyed this review of RedMonkey, and I hope to see you on another product review. Take care.